And the Kenya International Freight and Warehousing Association, also known as KIFWA, Mombasa branch's newly elected officials have called for unity to advance members' interests and tackle long-standing industry challenges following a hotly contested election in March. The elections held on 26th of March at the Bandari Maritime Academy were marred by chaos after some candidates sensing defeat, listen to this, switched off the microphone during the announcement of the chairperson's results. In a letter dated 30th March 2026, the Registrar of Societies by the name Teresia Gadhago confirmed that Leonard Njiro was duly elected as KIFWA Mombasa branch chairperson. Now, the newly elected chairperson Njiro said police are investigating the violence that erupted during the announcement of results, which led to the destruction of property at the academy, adding that those found culpable will be charged in accordance with the law.
To assure the members of KIFWA, partners and stakeholders of KIFWA and the general public that we had a free, fair and transparent election, and we have a new leadership of Mombasa branch board, some of whom we are seated here, and let there be no doubt whatsoever that there is any gap in the leadership of Mombasa branch, and very soon, as per our constitution, we will be convening the National Delegates Council to form the national office. We want to advise our colleagues that we were competing with, our worthy competitors,